What is up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today, the LG Stylo 4 is going head-to-head with the ZTE Blade Zmax. What we're basically going to do is run a speed test, and we're going to actually run a benchmark as well to see which phone is better. Stay tuned. Alright guys, let's go ahead and boot up both these phones, see which one boots up faster. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go ahead and put these down. Alright guys, so it looks like the LG Stylo 4 actually booted up first, and the Blade Zmax is about to boot up, still taking some time. But yeah, it booted up about 5 to 7 seconds after the LG Stylo 4. So yeah, let's go ahead and open these devices. Alright guys, so we are now onto the speed test. We're going to go ahead and go through 6 applications, and after the speed test we're actually going to go and do a benchmark. So let's go ahead and do this. First application we're going to go ahead and do is Google. In 3, 2, 1, go. And the LG Stylo 4 did win on that. Let's go ahead and search something up. So let's go ahead and search up ZTE, and let's go ahead and search in 3, 2, 1, go. LG Stylo 4 1. Let's go ahead and go to the next app. Alright guys, so the next app is the Play Store, and we're gonna go in this in 3, 2, 1, go. So as you guys saw, the Blade Zmax actually won that time. Good stuff. Next we have the settings. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, that was pretty much the same, but let's go ahead and clear that out and try that one more time, see if we can get a certain answer. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so the Blade Zmax did win that time, and we're gonna go ahead and go onto YouTube in 3, 2, 1, go. LG Stylo 4 actually beat the Blade Zmax on that one. Alright guys, so the next app we're going to go ahead and open is Temple Run 2 on both these devices. Now this is going to take more time because this is a game, so this can be interesting. And let's go ahead and open that in 3, 2, 1, go. And it looks like the LG Stylo 4 did pull through faster than the Blade Zmax, just by like a second or two, so pretty cool. And second to last, we do have the camera application. Let's go and open that in 3, 2, 1, go. It looks like it was a tie. Let's go and try that again. Let's go ahead and clear this. And back to the camera in 3, 2, 1, go. Pretty much a tie. Awesome. And last but not least, we have Zedge in 3, 2, 1, go. And the Blade Zmax did win that one. So for speed test, it looks like the LG Stylo 4 did beat the Blade Zmax. Blade Zmax can hold its own though. A really good phone still. But the next test we're going to go and do is the Antutu Benchmark, and I'm super hyped for this. Alright guys, so let's see what we have here. On the left side we have the LG Stylo 4. On the right side we actually have the Blade Zmax. These have very similar specs. We have a 435 processor on the Blade Zmax, 2 GB of RAM. We also have 2 GB of RAM in the LG Stylo 4, and we have a Snapdragon 450 inside of this as well. This is a 1.8 GHz octa-core processor as well. So let's go ahead and start this test in 3, 2, 1, go. So they are verifying sources right now, and we're about to start this test. Awesome. Alright guys, so as of right now, the LG Stylo 4 does look like it's doing a lot better than the Blade Zmax. It is finishing the test way faster than the Blade Zmax, and I can already tell. So I have the Blade Zmax for the loser in this one, and the LG Stylo 4 for the winner. Definitely put in the comments down below who you think is going to win. It's still anyone's game. And just as I thought, the LG Stylo 4 finishes with a score of 67,766, and the Blade Zmax is still going. And the Blade Zmax finally finishes with a score 10,000 points under the LG Stylo 4, coming in at 58,571. Let's go ahead and break this down though. Alright guys, so starting off with the loser at a score of 58,570 points, we have the Blade Zmax, and that defeated 2% of users. Also for a CPU, we defeated a whole 25% of the users with a score of 28,323. For a GPU, we defeated 1% of users with a score of 9,520. For our UX score, we defeated 1% of users with a score of 16,285. And for our MEM score, we defeated 1% of users with a score of 4,443, with an all-around score of 58,571. Next up, we have the LG Stylo 4. We got a score of 67,766, defeating 4% of users. Now for the CPU, we defeated 28% of users with a score of 33,032. That's pretty much about 5,000 over the Blade Zmax. For a GPU, we defeated 3% of users with a score of 12,216. We got about 3,000 more points than the Blade Zmax. For a UX score, we defeated 1% of users with a score of 17,529. Got about 1,000 more points than the Blade Zmax. And we are pretty much neck and neck on the MEM score. We defeated 1% of users, got a score of about 5,000. And for our MEM score on the Blade Zmax, we got a score of about 4,500. So probably about 500 over, I would say, roughly. But the LG Stylo 4 definitely won this one by about 10,000 points. So yeah, cool. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the tech gang already. Also hit the notification bell so you guys can be a part of the notification squad and be notified every time I do upload a video. Without further ado, this has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, tech gang.